Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 10 coolest gadgets every man needs from Amazon. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking to simplify your life, we've got something for you. You can buy these gadgets from the links that are given in the description below. Let's get started. 10. Tick Time Cube. The Tick Time Cube is a versatile time management tool designed to enhance productivity and focus. Shaped like a cube, it features multiple timers on each side, allowing users to set different intervals for various tasks. This tactile approach helps in breaking down work sessions into manageable chunks, promoting a more effective workflow. With a simple tap or flip of the cube, users can seamlessly switch between timers, making it ideal for techniques like the Pomodoro technique, where work is divided into focused intervals followed by short breaks. The cube's user-friendly design caters to a range of activities, from studying and working out to meditating and cooking. Its portability means you can use it anywhere, whether at home, in the office, or on the go. 9. Edge Pro. The Edge Pro is a high-performance knife sharpening system designed for precision and versatility. It caters to both professional chefs and home cooks, providing an efficient way to maintain and enhance the sharpness of kitchen knives and other blades. The system features a unique adjustable angle guide that allows users to sharpen blades at various angles, accommodating different types of knives. With its user-friendly design, the Edge Pro ensures consistent results, making it easy to achieve a razor-sharp edge. The setup includes a series of quality sharpening stones, ranging from coarse to fine grits, enabling users to refine their blades with precision. This step-by-step approach not only enhances cutting performance but also prolongs the life of the knives. 8. Shopper Cart. Shopper Cart is an innovative online shopping platform designed to simplify and enhance the shopping experience for consumers. With a user-friendly interface, Shopper Cart allows users to browse a wide range of products from various categories, including groceries, electronics, clothing, and household essentials. Its intuitive search and filter options help shoppers quickly find exactly what they need, while personalized recommendations based on previous purchases make the experience more tailored. One of Shopper Cart's standard features is its seamless integration of shopping lists and budgeting tools, enabling users to manage their spending effectively. Customers can create and save lists, track prices, and receive alerts for sales or discounts on items they frequently buy. 7. Arlo Video Doorbell. The Arlo Video Doorbell is a cutting-edge security device designed to enhance home safety and convenience. This smart doorbell features a high-definition camera with a wide field of view, allowing users to see and communicate with visitors from anywhere via their smartphone. With its built-in two-way audio, homeowners can engage in real-time conversations, providing an added layer of security and flexibility. One of the standout features of the Arlo Video Doorbell is its advanced motion detection technology. It can distinguish between people, packages, vehicles, and animals, reducing false alerts and ensuring that users are only notified about significant activity. The doorbell also includes night vision capabilities, ensuring clear video footage even in low-light conditions. Integration with smart home systems, including Alexa and Google Assistant, allows for seamless control and monitoring. 6. Mirrorski. Mirrorski is a cutting-edge platform designed to enhance virtual communication and collaboration through innovative video conferencing solutions. It offers a range of features tailored for both personal and professional use, making remote meetings more engaging and efficient. With high-definition video quality and crystal-clear audio, Mirrorski ensures that users can connect seamlessly, regardless of their location. One of the standout features of Mirrorski is its interactive interface, which allows for screen sharing, virtual backgrounds, and real-time collaboration on documents. 5. Cam Omni. The Cam Omni is an advanced vehicle camera system designed to provide comprehensive monitoring and protection on the road. Unlike traditional dashcams, the Omni offers 360-degree coverage, ensuring that every angle is captured, from front to rear and side to side. This is particularly beneficial for documenting incidents, accidents, or any unusual activity around your vehicle. Equipped with high-definition video recording, the Cam Omni captures crisp and clear footage, even in low-light conditions, thanks to its enhanced night vision capabilities. It features intelligent motion detection that automatically starts recording when movement is detected, so you won't miss any important events, whether parked or on the move. 4. Kindling Collector. The Kindling Collector is a practical and innovative tool designed for those who enjoy outdoor fires, whether for camping, bonfires, or cozy evenings at home. This handy device simplifies the process of gathering and organizing kindling, making it easier to start fires efficiently and safely. Crafted from durable materials, the Kindling Collector features a spacious compartment that can hold a substantial amount of twigs, small branches, and other fire-starting materials. Its ergonomic design often includes a sturdy handle for comfortable transport, allowing users to collect kindling from various locations without hassle. Many models also incorporate features like a built-in cutting tool. 3. Nebula Capsule 3 Laser. The Nebula Capsule 3 Laser is a compact, portable projector designed to deliver a powerful cinematic experience anywhere. With its advanced laser technology, this device offers vibrant colors and sharp images, making it ideal for movie nights, presentations, or gaming on the go. Measuring just about the size of a soda can, the Capsule 3 Laser is incredibly easy to transport, making it perfect for outdoor gatherings or travel. It boasts a high brightness rating, ensuring that even in less than ideal lighting conditions, the image remains clear and engaging. Equipped with a variety of connectivity options, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and HDMI, the projector allows users to stream content from their favorite apps or connect to other devices effortlessly. The built-in battery provides several hours of playback, ensuring you won't miss a moment during your viewing sessions. 2. Handle Tail Pack. The Handle Tail Pack is a versatile storage solution designed for cyclists seeking to maximize their carrying capacity while maintaining a streamlined profile. This compact tail pack easily attaches to the rear of a bike, offering a convenient way to store essentials like tools, snacks, and personal items without compromising aerodynamics. Crafted from durable, weather-resistant materials, the Handle Tail Pack is built to withstand various riding conditions. Its design often includes reflective elements for enhanced visibility during low-light conditions, ensuring safety on the road. The pack typically features adjustable straps or a quick-release system, allowing for easy installation and removal. Inside, the Handle Tail Pack is thoughtfully organized with multiple compartments or pockets. 1. Flat Tire Puller. The Flat Tire Puller is a specialized tool designed to assist in the quick and efficient removal of flat tires from vehicles, particularly in emergency situations. This handy device simplifies the tire changing process, making it easier for both seasoned mechanics and everyday drivers to handle tire issues on the road. Typically constructed from durable materials, the Flat Tire Puller features a sturdy handle and a lever mechanism that provides the necessary leverage to pull the tire off the rim without damaging the wheel. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, allowing users to work efficiently without straining their hands. The tool is lightweight and portable, making it easy to store in a vehicle's trunk or toolkit. There you have it, our top 10 coolest gadgets every man needs from Amazon. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome gadget reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.